how to fix the no GPS signal or GPS signal lost issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now here in system and updates, tap on software update, and from here update the mobile's software to the latest version if it's not up to date. Now after updating the software, if you are still facing the GPS signal issue, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down and tap on battery, and here you will see a performance mode button. So if you have enabled performance mode, then tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off performance mode, it will help you to fix the GPS signals issue. Now after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on reset. Now tap on reset phone, and then again tap on this reset phone option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset phone option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone including accounts, app data, installed apps, music, photos, videos, and all files will be deleted. So if you are sure, then tap on reset phone, and after resetting your phone, the GPS signal issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no GPS signal or GPS signal lost issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.